Dear listeners, in the last video I have shown how to use elements and emojis, GIFs and stickers, and I have already shown the audios in previous lessons. How can you use audios in your videos? In this lesson I will show you how to use text, add heading, add subheading, add a body text. I have taken a blank screen to show you which one goes where. So when you click here from any other tab to text tab, you will see there are three panels. These are add a heading, add a subheading, add a body text. I will click these three and you will see which one goes where on the screen. So I'm clicking on add a heading. You see a heading is added to the screen or to the scene, and it is bold and big. And I'm clicking on add a subheading. It has been added to the screen in the middle of the text and a little bit smaller size than the heading. Definitely subheading will be smaller. And then the third one is add a body text. So I'm clicking on that. So you see the body text is added on top of the subheading in the middle of the scene. So these are the three text you can add to any of your scene. You can also modify your heading. When you click here, the bar will appear and you can change the name of the font. I have changed to Arial. If you don't want a big heading, you can change the size from 66 to 42. So you can see the size has been changed. So heading I'm changing to 54. So if you want to make it italic, you can click on italic and your heading will be italic. And this is subheading, and you can use it here below the heading, and it's already bold, and you can make it an underline if you want. If you want to change your text goes here, and then you have to double click and write like Pictory is an editing software. Okay, so this is how you can edit heading or subheading. And the body text, you can also increase the size of body text. You can also make each of these things like duplicate and any other options available here. And you can also make these things like if you want to show your text on the bottom left corner, you can do this. So I'm deleting this one with the delete button in my keyboard, and again this one. So what can you do? So you can also change the text width using the heading. You can change the text width like this. For example, I'm changing from 53% to 90%. So it will show in one line. I'm doing it from 53 to 90%. So you see the text space or outlay has been changed. This is how you can change text outlay, or you can change like this. Drag your mouse from the left or right side, so you cannot change from the top or bottom. When you change text, so you see automatically the text width changes. So you can show the full width, and it will always show the full width from extreme left to extreme right. There are a few other options which you can use here. For example, if you want to highlight a word or a part of text, you can do so. For example, if you want to highlight the word Pictory, how can you do that? You have to double click on the box, then select the word you want to highlight, then click on the highlight button. So here you can see the word Pictory has been highlighted to yellow color. Also remember, the color you have already set in the highlight from here, highlighted color is yellow. If you change it to blue, it will be changed to blue. And again, if you have to click here. If you want to do anything, you have to click. And if you want to change it to cyan color, so you see it has been changed to cyan color. So this is how you can highlight any text in your video. These are very useful for making TikTok or short video. And also you can animate your text. For example, I'm selecting it, and here this icon is for animation entry. So entry animation is selected none. So if you select typewriter, then it will show as your text goes here. You see it's showing like a typewriter. So if you select this one as animation fade in, then you will see, you see this one is appearing as typewriter and it has been already appeared as fade in. If we see the preview,
Pictory.
you can see your text goes here, it has been shown as a typewriting. So this is not properly visible. What you can do, you can make something faster or make something slower. So this is already in the slowest timing. If I select it fast, then nothing will be seen. If you want to show this effect, you should select slow, then you can see the effect. I'm showing you again. You see now it's slower. So this is how you can animate. There is also entry and exit. So when this slide will start, that means when this scene will appear in your screen, this is the entry style I have selected. These are the entry style. For example, the heading will be as the typewriter, and this one will fade in. So in exit, after 5 seconds, I mean when it will be ended, these will, you can select exit animations, like fade out, fade out, fade out, everything is fade out. Exit options are very minimum here, only fade out, but there are a lot of entry animations here. For example, bounce, bottom right, you can see it has been bounced and appear in the scene. You can see when you select the heading text, it shows 3 rows like in this icon: first, second, third. So the position of this heading is on the first row, and you can take it to the middle row. So in one click, it has been gone to second row. So if you want to transfer it to top again, so you can click it here and it will transfer to the top. This is how you can modify your text. Thank you.